If you've ever wished you could delegate your workload to an AI, not just for ideas, but for real execution, you're not alone. Most tools today can generate text, images, or code, but they stop at suggestions. You still have to organize everything yourself, switch between platforms, and finish the job manually. It's helpful, but it's far from automation. But what if AI could actually work for you like a real employee? That's exactly what Skywork is designed to do. Skywork is an AI-powered productivity platform, essentially a complete AI office suite where a single prompt turns into a polished, professional-grade deliverable. It covers everything from documents and slides to images, data analysis, and websites. Think of it as an AI-native alternative to traditional office tools. Instead of relying on separate agents or complex setups, everything in Skywork runs through a single interface. You simply open the main workspace, Skywork General, and enter your request. From there, the system handles everything. Instead of simply generating answers, it completes real work. This means you can assign a task, monitor its progress in real time, and even step in whenever you want. But what makes this ecosystem especially powerful is the new Ultra membership. Ultra allows you to choose premium models such as Claude Opus 4.6, GPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and Veo 3.1. And here's the most impressive part. You receive 5 times the token value of your subscription. In simple terms, you pay around $250 per month and receive approximately $1,050 worth of premium model usage. For heavy AI users, that's not just cost efficiency, it's a major advantage. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions across different platforms, everything is consolidated into one unified environment. To see how this works in practice, let's take a real example. Imagine opening Skywork General and asking it to research competitor products, compile the findings, and prepare a professional presentation. With a single command, the AI gathers data, structures insights, and produces a polished slide deck. By the time you return, the work is already completed. And this is where Skywork skills come in. Skywork skills are professional-grade tools designed to transform AI outputs into visually stunning and production-ready deliverables. They function like premium plugins that enhance your workflow. One of the standout tools is Skywork PPT, which generates presentation-ready slides backed by deep research and credible sources. The results look polished, structured, and ready for real-world business use. Another impressive feature is Skywork Music Maker, with creative modes such as remix and recreation, and if you don't want to think about it, Skywork can automatically choose the best model for each step in your workflow. In many cases, this replaces tools like Canva, Gamma, Notion AI, and even parts of your analytics stack. But the real killer app is the new Ultra subscription. Let's crunch the numbers because the numbers are staggering. Typically, when you buy tokens directly from model developers like Anthropic or OpenAI, you pay full price. Skywork Ultra is built on the 5 times the price concept. An Ultra monthly subscription costs around $250 per month, but you get well done 250 worth of tokens. If you sign up for the $2,550 annual plan, you get a whopping $15,000 worth of tokens. That's literally 5 times better than buying directly. And you choose the brains behind your agent: Claude Opus 4.6, GPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1 Pro, or the Veo 3.1 video model. No more juggling 10 different accounts. But here's the real shift. It's not about cheaper tokens anymore. It's about what you can actually get done with them. With the new Ultra subscription, Skywork isn't trying to undercut model pricing. Instead, it's focused on maximizing your output. You're no longer paying just for raw compute. You're getting a fully orchestrated system where multiple top-tier models work together on your behalf. Instead of juggling separate subscriptions for Claude, GPT, and Gemini, you can either choose the model you want for each task or let Skywork automatically route the best one for you. That means Claude for deep research, GPT for structured writing or code, and Gemini for high-quality visuals and video, all working inside a single workflow. So the real value of Ultra isn't more tokens for less money. It's replacing an entire stack of tools and turning them into one coordinated system that actually finishes the job. You're not buying access to models anymore. You're effectively hiring a cloud team that runs 24/7. It allows you to generate high-quality soundtracks that rival traditional production tools. Whether you need background music music for a video or a fully composed track, the process takes minutes instead of days. In addition, Skywork offers tools like Excel for data analysis, design for branding and visual content, document for professionally formatted reports, and search for real-time research and information gathering. Together, these skills turn raw AI output into professional-grade results. What makes the system truly powerful is how everything works together. Skywork acts as the core AI productivity platform, and everything runs through a single input Skywork General, while Skills provides specialized capabilities for creative and analytical tasks. Combined, they form a complete ecosystem designed to automate and elevate your workflow. This means you can assign tasks before going to sleep and wake up to completed deliverables. From presentations and reports to designs and music, your AI-powered workflow runs around the clock. And all of this happens without coding, without deployment, and without complex setup. That's what makes Skywork one of the simplest, most capable, and most cost-effective AI productivity platforms available today. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, developer, or business professional, Skywork helps you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. If you'd like to try it yourself, check the link in the description. New users receive free trial hours to get started, and you can upgrade to the Ultra membership to unlock premium models and receive 5 times the token value. You'll also find an exclusive discount in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.